Dear viewers, good morning and warmly welcome you on HM Tech Solutions official YouTube channel. Today we work on HYT TC580 handheld radio. The problem, I think, audio problem and no RF power out. So first of all, see what is the problem in this radio. So before starting the video, please subscribe our channel, like, share, comment, and must press the bell icon to watch our videos in the future. And you can also follow us now on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. So start the video. I have opened this board already, as you can see. Look this. This is HYT TC580, the model of this radio. So this here you can see this. So put this here. Now at first try to on this radio. Look this, the radio is on now. When I push this, as you can see, the RS light is on. So as you can see, now look this. At first check the push this button to on the meter. This is GY561 frequency plus RF power measuring meter. This is so. At first check is it working or not. As you can see 130, but no output power shown is here. So first of all you check this if I can show you this transistor, look this one, especially the RF transistor. At first look, at first you check all. Look this is the RF power amplifier. Look this, if I can show you. So RD007, I think. Oh yes, RD07 this is. So we check here. If this is good, then let's see what is the problem. At first remove the dry salt. So solder these points. and carefully solder all these points because these are very tiny points and very close to each other, and mostly the problem is here in this radio. So after removing the dry soldering, so solder all the points, and after soldering we clean this area with the motherboard cleaner. So again check with the meter. Before checking, must clean this board with the cleaner, motherboard cleaner. So we apply a little bit on the brush and clean this board from here, as you can see. So, and look carefully, if any other dry soldering here, remove that. So now again push this. So put this on, as you can see. This is again insert the cell inside. So again this is the power point. Press this PTT switch. I think look this again. This is the point, as you can see, 138.239 frequency and 4.9 watts the power, as you can see here. So this is working now, and the RF output power is good now. Now let's see, is it working or not. Attach this one with another radio. On this radio, and 138.2.375. So this is the radio, and check. So look this, the light is on and the sign of speaker is here, as you can see. So RX is working, and now we press this here. Audio is hello, testing, but no audio. You can signal is coming, but no audio pass through this radio, and you can listen nothing from this radio. So check the mic first. So in this radio, the audio goes from here through. This is the small SMG capacitor. This is C202 through this capacitor, and this one is R resistance R203, and directly from mic to audio pass through this capacitor and resistor and goes to the mic amplifier. This is the mic amplifier, and pass this, and from this amplifier, mic amplifier, to this IC. So check first, is audio is coming here, this area, carefully look this. If there is any dry solder or something else, with the help of meter you can trace. So this is the mic point. So check here on the mic. Yes, this is coming, and put this here and check. No, this here I can show you. Look, I show you first. Now we check this from here and remove the dry holes. As we trace the circuit, audio goes from here, and especially this. I think here is some dry hole because I look this. Now look again with the glass. If magnified glass, must use the magnified glass to watch if there is any dry solder. So again check here. I think the dry solder is clear now. Again check this. And check with this radio. The audio is coming or not. Hello. The audio is coming now. So this board is ready now. Now we fix this board. I show you how to fix this board with the chassis. So this is the chassis of this board. Put this here like this. Now as you can see, and tight all the screws. Put this here. Look this, and fix this here as like this. So tight all the screws. At first with this, these are 2 screws with the flat head. So fix this strip first. So as you can see with the flat head, these are 2 screws with the flat head. Fix here, and now tight all the screws here. As you can see, Now attach this cover with the board. Connect the speaker wires here. One is here and this one is here as mentioned over the board. So solder these 2 points and now fix the cover over here like this. Look, check all the things. Now good, push this here. Now this is fixed, as you can see. Before, tight all these screws, check once is it working or not. So the battery of this radio is here, so insert the battery here and check is it working or not. So check with another radio. Test call. Yes, this is working. So, as you can see, this radio is working perfectly all right, and now you can tight all the screws and close this radio's cover. So these are, as you can see, now this is, oh yeah, sorry, put this here. This is the antenna connector, and first of all rubber gasket under here, and now you antenna nut you can tight from this key, and now this is tight. So put this volume plus on off switch nut and tight this nut. So this is tight now, and look, this is the knob of on off and volume switch. So put this here and push this towards down. Now this radio is in working condition and ready to use. So install the battery here. Look, now this radio is ready to use, and if you like our videos and want to watch the videos like this, please subscribe our channel, like, share and comment in the comment box with your opinion and suggestions, and must press the bell icon to watch more videos like this. So keep watching our channel. Till next, Allah Hafiz.